All right, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Henry, and welcome back for another market update. So, I just want to pat ourselves on the back, okay? All right, the TA works. The TA speaks for itself. Like, you literally just continuously, it's just my mind continuously is blown. Okay, like we're doing this all by ourselves. Okay, um, this is just amazing. Okay, we've had this line, this red line right here on our chart since I think it was this day or this day. I think it was this day, and we said it was likely that we are going to be rising into Jackson Hole with Powell because big moves usually happen around Powell, and the market pumps either going into it or after something is said. And if we rally going into it, I was saying that the market is setting up for a dump on Powell. And if we were falling into it, the market is setting up for a rally on Powell. Well, this time it was a big ass dump, and this is exactly what we said was likely. We're saying that it was likely that they were going to be hawkish in this meeting, and it's just because they don't have an FOMC meeting for another like 20 to 30 days. So if they want to get markets under control and try and tame inflation for the next 20 to 30 days, they're going to have to do it here. All right, so I'm just saying, all right, we were right. I'm not going to say anything else about it, but we were right again. Okay, we called this top over here. I think, yeah, I got it right here. So we called this as the top. All right, we called this right here. We said this day right here, this was going to be either marking a topping tail or was going to mark the start of the downfall. And that is exactly what we got. I think that was the first day we broke out of the wedge. Yeah, it was right here. All right, and then, yeah, like, we called this was going to be, and we have it right here on our chart, this red mark right here. We said this was going to be likely the start of the next push down. Okay, and it's because of what I've been saying the past few videos about Jackson Hole. This is their chance to tame inflation, tame markets, tame everything, get rid of that wealth effect. That's exactly what we got. Okay, you got Powell introducing a 75 BP hike instead of 50 BP hike, so now the market is trying to price that in. And look again, the charts have predicted the news. Okay, you got the weekly cross and stochastic. And guys, I'm just saying, I would not be surprised if the VIX starts moving up. It's steadily hitting our target over the next few days. I don't know how quick this thing's gonna fall. You could be bouncing. I don't know. I have no idea. Let's get rid of these. But what I do know is that, guys, we nailed this move yet again. It was another move nailed. So pat yourself on the back if you played the shit. Excuse me, if you played the shit out of this move with us. So yeah, I mean, I'm amazed. I'm just still amazed by the TA that is being put out on this channel. And I'm just saying, it really is, it's not even a matter of time till we hit 500 subs. Well, no, it is only a matter of time. I don't know what I'm talking about. That was weird. It's only a matter of time till we hit that 500 sub mark, and that's when I can call out shit like we saw the other day on the hourly chart. Just on the spot, these divergences, and then you have this. Okay, I'm gonna point out another, like, you could have called the top again with this divergence. All right, look at this. You had an hourly chart marking the top, or marking the bottom over here. Back here you had the hourly divergence, it was right here. All right, so let's just put that on our chart right here. You have that bad boy right there while you are going from there down to there. So you could have bought in here. Okay, so you would have either bought in down here when you saw it, because it completed like right in after hours. So maybe you would have bought in right in the morning, and you would have gotten even better entry and even better pricing. Could have wrote it up, and that's exactly what we did. Thank you, Sebastian. Sebastian called out these. Sebastian is someone who calls out, like, when around these events. Mans is a trading machine. Okay, like, I'm serious, guys. My mentor Sebastian is the best mentor out there. Do yourselves a favor and go just make him your mentor with the platinum membership. I'm serious. There's no reason not to. Like, I have made thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars over the past 2 days. But no, I made 7K off Sebastian, okay, over the past 2 trading days. Because it, like, that's what I'm saying. It's because of Sebastian. Like I made a lot of money because of myself as well, okay? Like, but like, Sebastian, just, like, I'm serious, he is just a trading machine, and I'm serious, he calls out shit that I wouldn't even think of. Okay, but yeah, as far as TA goes, guys, I got you here on the channel. I think our TA is absolutely killing it. We have been calling the tops like absolutely, we've been calling the bottoms of tops like crazy, guys. Okay, we knew this was going to be a big day. We knew we were likely going to be rallying into it. That was the exact projection. We were going to be rallying into it, and then we were probably going to get the bearish news. That's why like I listened to my video back and I noticed I was just getting heated in the video. I was like, they gotta control the market, they gotta tame everything, the wealth effect. And guys, he was right. Okay, it was completely right. They had to do something, and that's exactly what happened. So I mean, I'm not even like TA, honestly, like nah, the oscillators were curling up. Like, I mean, maybe like honestly, the TA aspect of this was kind of pointing that we are going to be going up. But yeah, we did also have this gap fill, and we did know that our macro perspective is bearish as of right. Like we knew that, hey, dude, like you thought you thought markets were elevated back there. Well, now we're higher. I assume that you're probably going to want the same thing. Okay, you're probably going to want to sell off. All right, and honestly, guys, it's looking like we're probably going to have like a few weeks of red. All right, like look at the weekly stochastic here. You're just turning. Your CCI is turning down. But maybe you get a bounce. Maybe you get a bounce. I don't know. Okay. But I'm just letting you guys know. I'm not gonna lie. I have taken my profits pretty early here. All right, not all of them, and I don't even care. Maybe I'm gonna be kicking myself in the face. Maybe I am not sure. In a few days, maybe VIX is gonna skyrocket to our targets. But I mean, I've made too much money the past like since we've like been trading the VIX, not to like just be pretty conservative here. I pulled like I think it's 5 separate 50% gains or more in the past like 3 fucking trading sessions. So, I mean, I really don't care. I don't care. And I'm just saying, guys, if you have a lot of money, like I'm not even playing with a lot of money. If you are someone like I know Ryan Hogue invested in my little baller over there, man, says so much money. If you're like that guy and you're trading with like, I don't know how much you'd be trading with. Maybe you got 50K on stuff. Like, hey, take the profit to like 25%. There's your fucking like a 50,000. Let's say it's $100,000, 25K. So yeah, 50,000. That would be like, dude, you're making like 12.5K right there. I'd kill for making 12.5K off one trade. It's amazing. Holy crap! Do you guys hear that thunder? That's crazy. My dogs are definitely gonna be going crazy. I think this is the first thunderstorm they're gonna be living through. So, well, at least that they can hear. I don't know. That's crazy. My windows are shut too. I don't know if the mic picked that up. But yeah, guys, I mean, we're getting exactly what we've been calling out here on the channel. I mean, nothing really has changed, but yeah, I mean, just like we could have marked the bottom here. Well, I mean, not just because, like, I literally fucking I told you guys here on the channel. I introduced the hedge. I said it was likely that we were going to be going up. Now, I did think it was likely that VIX was going to come down and fill this gap, but look where we are now. Look at this. VIX is skyrocketing, guys. It's skyrocketing. Contracts are just now in the money. But yeah, guys, congratulations if you've been trading the shit out of this thing, okay? If you've been practicing proper trade management like we preach here on this channel, okay, not just buying and holding. Like I told you guys, okay, take the profits, okay, and just reposition, okay? Just keep doing that throughout, like just manage your trade, and you'll probably be able to just pull a lot more fucking money out of each and every trade. Like that's why I'm satisfied with like 50%. That's valid, okay? That's valid. But I will say it's actually more than that. With if you just bought in, like yesterday was such a glorious opportunity, okay? But yeah, we also did. You could have went short. Honestly, you could have went short right before Powell, and that would probably have been the best entry. All right, let's just go on to the TA. I want to finish up this video because there's not really too much to talk about. We all know what's going to be coming, okay? We've been talking about this for quite some time. VIX is also breaking out. I mean, now that you broke out past here, you're probably going to keep going, guys. You're most likely going to start heading to this target, okay? You have like let's delete this and let's just put this zone of resistance here on the map. Okay, so we have right here. So this is your resistance, and if you break through here, you're probably going to head on up to this resistance right here. I wouldn't doubt it. You're probably going to head up here. All right, and that is like, I'm just saying, guys, like those contracts, oh, they're gonna be so up, dude. They're gonna be so up. Maybe I will kick myself in the face, but I really don't care. And yeah, I got goals that I'm ensuring that are going to be coming true. So I do advocate that you guys do the same exact thing, because if we want to guarantee that we're gonna be rich by the end of the year, okay, by the end of next year, or whatever your timeline is, like, dude, you got to do these things. You got to just be safe. But also, these are the trades that are going to be, I mean, they're valid, okay? These are, like, around this, not FOMC, around this Jackson Hole thing, like, dude, fucking 50% gains. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right, guys, so and I'm gonna talk on this. Okay, so this is why I told you guys, these are plays you go light into. You don't go heavy into these things. And it's because they can go crazy, but they also could be just forgotten about and left in the dirt. Okay. I'm gonna be completely honest. I completely forgot that everything goes down when the market goes down. I don't know. I don't know why I was in la la land just thinking like it wouldn't be going down with the market, but yeah, I mean it's going down with the market. But yeah, that's why we play these light, and we make our real money on the indices. That's what we advocate here on the channel. Like, holy sweet baby fucking Jesus, this is crazy. This is just a massive red bar. Like, it's not even a bearish engulfing candle, because it actually, I mean, this one kind of is. It's kind of also a pipe top. No, it's not, because it didn't open above this one, so it's not a bearish engulfing candle. But holy cow, guys, yeah, you're absolutely tanking, and Bitcoin does seem to be making it's finally breaking out of this mini bear flag, so a new low, a new minor low here. And yeah, you guys know where we think Bitcoin is going to be heading. We think Bitcoin is going to head down here, and we're going to probably break down here and come down here. And when we come into the zone, this is probably going to be where the market is bottoming. Okay, so if you guys do want to be kept up to date daily, just, you know, subscribe to the channel. Like, that's all it really is. Like, I tell you guys every single day. I tell you guys every single thing you need to know. Like, there's really not much we miss here on the channel. Maybe some of the videos are just me being very repetitive, but hey, at the same time, at least I get to hammer like the correct TA into your heads. Like, guys, nobody can argue that my TA has been on spot like for quite some time now. Quite some time. There really is no arguing about it. Okay, now I'm just gonna point out. Now, I don't know if these guys were trading, but I had like, so a few, I think it was 2 videos ago, I gained like, it was like 5 or 6 subs, but I also lost like 4 or 5 subs. So I was like, what the heck? Why are you leaving? Like, and maybe it was because I was making the videos too long and I was just being repetitive. But at the end of the day, like, dude, sit through the videos, guys. You're making money. Nobody else is going to sit here explaining daily and just spending the time on specifically trying to make people money. They don't fucking care, okay? And a lot of people just don't know how to do it. I'm here for you guys, okay? I'm just saying. So, I mean, if you're having doubts or I'm ever getting annoying, just realize you can leave, but you're probably going to be coming back, because you're probably not going to find someone else who is able to make you this much money. All right, so I'm going to end the video there. All right, with that being said, I will catch you guys Sunday for a weekly analysis. Peace.